Hi, welcome to Best Review channel. Here are the top 10 deck sealers of 2021. The list starts from Olympic Stain 421,037 SmartGuard Concentrated Multi-Surface Sealant, Clear. Its simple stain process. To apply Olympic SmartGuard deck sealant, simply pour the pouch into a deck sprayer, add 2 gallons of water, and then spray over your deck. It works on traditional wood decks, concrete, and even composite decking. Its use even after rain can be applied after cleaning or rain, ensuring you get to have fun on your deck as quick as possible. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. Ninth one is Ready Seal 512 5-gallon pale natural cedar exterior wood stain and sealer. It may be applied using sprayer, roller or brush onto the wood surface. It requires no wet line application. The product will blend itself and can be applied in any temperature range for proper application. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. You shouldn't miss this product's review. Cool by the Bundle Cool Pool Deck Coating, Triple Crown, Seal Back. Its Step 1 Effective Cleaner. Triple Crown is a water-based, eco-friendly surface cleaner that cleans and etches concrete in 2 simple steps. Spray concrete, add to pressure washer, wash away aggressive algae, dirt stains to prep your cool deck paint project. Its Step 3 Rejuvenating Sealer. Sealback is a low-VOC clear acrylic sealer, formulated with patented proprietary blend of nanoparticles that react with cool pool paint to resurface exterior hairline cracks and scratches in your painted surface. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. Well, here is the 7th one. 5-gal Armor AR350 solvent-based acrylic wet look concrete sealer and paver. It's the Armor AR350 is manufactured in the US and made from non-recycled resins. It's the Armor AR350 will help to reduce damage and deterioration caused by surface abrasion such as dusting, cracking, spalling, and pitting.